Gamma Jova students, I'm very glad to present you Ross Borissov. He is our instructor who will lead the course DevOps Foundations. In this video, you'll be able to hear more about his experience and different details about the course. Please, Ross, tell our students more about yourself, your experience, and how many years you have been working in the IT industry.
Thank you, Gary. Hello, everyone. This is Ross speaking. I have been working in the IT industry for more than 20 years now. I have been dealing with DevOps, since quite, soon in its lifespan. No later than 2013, I started dealing with it. And currently, I work in a big software company where I'm responsible for the DevSecOps enablement of different product groups. That means many things, but the most important thing is ensuring that they have as much as possible optimal value stream, which of course is continuously improving. Now, when I say value stream, this of course is something that we are going to learn in the course. Thank you, Gary.
Thank you. And according to your observation, what is demand for such professionals like DevOps Foundations?
All right. Well, the demand right now in the world we're living in is great. Every company is looking for optimizing the way they do software, essentially. Every company is trying to catch up and be, performing well and not lose grounds compared to their competitors. So this is a very, very demanded skill and respectively profession nowadays. Now, one thing that I can share from experience is that companies nowadays are not just looking for people who know the tools, like people, let's say, who know how to use Docker to do containers or how to use Kubernetes to do container orchestration. This is not, how to say, everything that they're looking for, but the companies are very interested in people, professionals in DevOps who know the core principles and values and goals of the DevOps movement, which are getting achieved through some of those technologies that I previously listed. And luckily, this course that we're discussing today is going to teach you about exactly these things, the core principles and values and goals of DevOps. So after taking this course, you will be in a great shape to take those positions that are very demanded on today's market. Thank you.
Thank you. And please tell us a bit more about the course. What topics will be covered and what practical exercise it will include?
Okay. Well, this course is, again, teaching about the DevOps movement, its core values, principles, and goals. So with that in mind, there is one major important exercise which you're going to go through in this course. That is the value stream mapping. This is clearly about the mapping of a value stream. And now DevOps is all about value stream. It's all about knowing what your value stream looks like today, brainstorming how you could improve it tomorrow, and then measuring if it's improving, what is happening, and then reiterating this exercise every so often. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And how would you define the prerequisites for this course? What skills should potentially students already have to get the most from this course?
All right. Now, I wouldn't mention any skills to be a mandatory prerequisite for this course, but anybody who has dealt with software and knows what kind of steps a given piece of code, in a source code repository needs to go through in order to get released to production to be used by real live customers, then of course they would be in a very good shape to understand everything that's in this course. And again, this is just an advantage. It is not a mandatory prerequisite. Thank you.
And please tell us what international certificate will our student get after successfully passing the exam at the end of this course?
All right. Well, this course was originally compiled by the very well-esteemed DevOps Institute. Recently, they got acquired by PeopleCert. So, long story short, after the course, the exam which the students are encouraged to go to and take is the DevOps Foundation certificate by PeopleCert and DevOps Institute. And of course, this certificate will be available online, so it is validatable. Once you take it successfully and you have it, you're gonna have the URL for the certificate, which of course you could share with anybody so that they could see for themselves you really possess this. Thank you.
Thank you for your answer. And what job positions are suitable for specialists who just completed this course?
Well, any position that has DevOps in the title, DevOps engineer, DevOps professional, whatever, or let's say release engineer with DevOps, anything that has DevOps in the title, of course, would be very suitable for people, taking the course. Furthermore, even if you work like as a software developer and you write code, I don't know, in Java, C#, whatever, this course would be still very beneficial to you because it is going to teach you skills that you probably don't yet have, like knowing what value stream is, knowing how to map it out, and knowing how to measure it properly, and then how to identify waste in it, and then how to potentially improve it, and etc. So there is a wide range of roles in the IT industry which are going to benefit from the knowledge of this course. Thank you.
Great. And what can be the next step for the students after they take this course?
All right. Well, now after you have taken the course, which means you have attended all the lectures, participated in all the exercises we do together, and etc., you'll be highly encouraged to go to the next step and take the exam we mentioned previously, the DevOps Foundation exam. And after you take this and you have the certificate, I would highly encourage you to post it on your LinkedIn profile, link it there, and then just inform the world that you have it. So next step would be for you to look for jobs with the roles that we mentioned previously. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you again, Ross, for taking the time for joining us today. I think this interview had a lot of valuable information for the students, and the information you just gave us will help them decide for their application. Thank you. See you again in our training.
Thank you, Gary. My pleasure. Bye.
Bye-bye.